guys, we got ready to depart now. It's the 11:17. First Great Western service to Plymouth from London Paddington. Ready to depart now. Nice sunny day here in Exeter St David's. Alright, well, we'll come back with some more trains, guys. Okay guys, train now arriving into platform 5. It's the 11:23 cross country service to Dundee. Trains you're going to see in this service will be HSTs, probably known now as GWRs. Trains of cross countries, and services are Southwest trains, which is over there as well. We'll come back in a few minutes once the Dundee train okay, ready to depart now. It's the slightly delayed 11:23 cross country service to Dundee. I'm assuming this is from Plymouth, not sure on that, but yeah, ready to depart now. Nice toot of the horn there by the driver, most appreciated. If most of you don't know where Exeter St David's is, it's on the Southwest Main Line in Devon. We'll come back, guys, in a few seconds. Wait for any other trains to arrive. Cheers. Okay guys, ready to depart now is the 11:27 GWR service to Barnstaple. Slightly delayed leaving, well, not by much. Quite a packed time here in Exeter this weekend. Well, today it will be. Exeter Chiefs are playing and Devon County's show and whatnot, so yeah. Anyway guys, we'll come back with some more. Hey guys, train now arriving on to platform 4 is the 11:43 cross country service to Plymouth. Calling at Newton Abbot, Totnes and Plymouth. 43207 on the front. And we'll come back in a few seconds once it departs. Okay, train now leaving. It's the 11:43 cross-country service to Plymouth.
I thought you was filming us this time, sorry.
No, I'm filming the trains, yeah.
I don't mind anyway.
Oh, right, yeah.
Under section 24 of the ECH, the Effectively Human Rights, you can't record somebody. You can record a public place, but you need to ask people's permission whether their faces can be, if you're going to upload it to a public network or site.
Yeah.
You're not doing that?
I will be uploading it to YouTube later. Yeah.
Okay, do you want to put me in your video?
Well, what for? It's...
What are you doing?
I'm just recording trains to upload onto YouTube later. That's all. I didn't mean to get you in the video.
I don't care anyway, I just thought maybe I deserve some sort of credit.
Oh, right. Yeah.
Because I'm a celebrity.
Oh, right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'll charge you £8,000 to put me in the video. £8 to put me in the video.
Well, I think you might be in the video anyway. Yeah.
I'm winding you up, I don't care.
Alright. So that was the 11:43 cross-country service to Plymouth just left. Sorry, I was just talking to someone there on the platform, so we'll come back with some more. Okay guys, we got the HST 1201 service to London Paddington. This train will depart later, well, in about 11 minutes time. Train will be calling at Paignton Parkway, Paignton, Castlecarry, Westby, Poolsby, Newbury, Reading and London Paddington. But we'll come back in a few minutes once this departs. Okay, train now arriving into platform 5 is the 11:56 First Great Western service to London Paddington. Probably it's come from Plymouth or probably Penzance, one of the two, not sure. But yep. With a number 43144 at the front, and we'll come back guys in a minute once it... Okay, train now departing platform 5 is the 11:56 First Great Western service to London Paddington. It's actually only calling at Reading London Paddington, so yep. Sorry about the nice sunny day here in Exeter. Number at the back 43182. So yeah, we'll come back in a few seconds guys with some more. Okay, ready to depart now on platform 6, which is quite unusual, is the 1201 First Great Western service to London Paddington with the number 43